Hey everyone, I made it back into Homegoods. Oh look, they have a little turkey bowl. I wonder if that is on discount for $13. It is not. Okay, we have Love Sweet, Made with a Love, which I think we might have seen this one before. Oh, those are kind of cute too. These are $25. Oh, this one's really cute and it's only $5. Just says kiss me, love ya. More XOXO, and that is $25. I know in a different location, maybe we've seen a red one or pink one. They also have a candy. Oh, this one looks like a bird bath, right? Really cute. Well, that's cute too. Okay, look at this Love one. We have the heart and the pink for $5.99. Oh, that's cool. By Coca and Lola. Not as much Valentine's in this location. Look at this one, XOXO. You get the bowl and the mug for $5.99. Hey, that is a good deal. Tons of bunnies, and there is one gnome. Oh, happy Valentine's Day. Look at this doggy in the sweater. This little one. The little trio of hearts. Hand painted for $10. Oh, is that more gnomes? It is more gnomes. We'll skip over that. I just see a lot of dogs right now. Look at that large one. It's dark in here. Oh, that wifey poo. Okay. This is really nice. You get two. The marble and the wood. Okay, kitchen towels, Nicole Miller. We have the gold and black. Oh, you know what? You get three. So you get the gold and black, red and gold, and like the pinky tone. Martha Stewart. This is really cute. Just really, really simple. I like this one. $13. The cat one. Oh, look at the koala one. She's shopping. And these are cute down here. The love bug. And that is only $8. Okay. I love you, and here is a Disney one in the back. Bibbidi bobbidi boo. Chip, my man, that is a large chip one for $10. That's kind of cool. And The Office. The Office, if you're not sick of it already. Laugh every day. Okay, look at Thumper for $5. I do love Thumper. And check this one out for your Star Wars lover. That's $10. Confident. Oh, there's tons of chip. Look at this lemon one. Okay, that is only $8. The cake dome with the marble base. Those are really nice too. Some more Coco and Lola. Yeah, those are, what are they, $7. Tiny cute little teapots. Look at these dainty bowls for $4. And I love that purple. That is $8 in the back. And that's $5. You get two for $15. These are really nice to have too. Here is these bowls. Is that Strawberry Street? It's not. No, but kind of similar except for the gold rim around it. $17. Look at this one. That's really cool. Oh, I wish it wasn't too dark in here. You know what? I thought this would be melamine. It's not. It is glass for 10. Really, really nice. Who makes that? It doesn't say.
This is $10 for these green.
Oh, there's that birdie again. They also have a smaller version. So cute, and that's 8. $5.99. And then all your blues in here. That's 5 to match like the bowl. Okay. Oh, you know what? They have a colorful one. So the other one was like a rabbit one. Here's like the koi fish. Oh, you know what? Let me pick up this one right here. Look at this alligator guy for 25. And look, you can put a, you know, you could possibly put a little faux plant in there. And then, I mean, that's 20. It's like a little wind chime. If you're needing some office chairs, there is a few, not as much. They're still trying to get rid of Christmas. I don't see a big like discount on Christmas, but a lot of people are going crazy. Okay, we have the markers over here. Double dip. These are 10. A lot of paints and markers. More ideas for your office. Okay, some are going to be 17. These are really colorful. I always see them. Those are 17 each. And then in the back we have love. Chalk markers. Some beads. Okay, look at this one shaped like the lip for 10. It's kind of cool. DIY Valentine one. Oh, look at that. Was a new one. And these are all napkins. Okay, lemon, a daisy, the bees. Some coffee or hot chocolate. The cupids are here. Cute little Annalie. And look at she is in pink. And everything here is gnome. I can't believe there's so many gnomes.
Elves. What are the elves for Valentine's? Let's say that makes sense.
Oh, look at this one. He's 10. That would be a cute pot, I think. And tons of felt. Garland for 17.
Like in Christmas trees. It's like all the Christmas companies are using it for every holiday now. They got trees, elves, gnomes. Just all repainted and redecorated.
Well, they never have it on anymore.
Oh, and they're eating it.
I don't see it at all. I really got it. But honestly, I don't use the ones, so we use this. How do you put it? Long way or this side? Yeah,
We have XOXO. These are right done for 13, and you get 2. Love, and here's like a Be Mine. This one's kind of glammy, like hearts for 13. Oh, that one's really cute. Oh, look at a hedgehog. They're hedgehog, right? Yeah. They're adorable. Okay. Oh, look at the stools here. Okay. These are 70. If I could pick one up. Can we pick that up? Have a white one. Maybe if you have a little vanity. It's not bad.
70.
70, yep.
Did you want to see that?
A little bit of bathroom decor.
Yeah.
These are 7. It's kind of a nice print. 13, and if you just want something like all black, they do have it for you. Those are 15.
They're kind of neat.
Yeah. And look at the wall of pillows. Everything is like for your tushy, indoor, outdoor. Mainly these are like outdoor pillows. Look at all these greens in here. Oh, check that out. Okay. I like how they have like little necklaces on them and their earrings. So that is $25. 25. It's a nice peachy tone. We have pinks and purples in here. Really nice. And that's 17. 17 as well. Look at that little guy. Just living the life. Laying down. Taking naps. Oh, what is this one? Oh, is that the birdie one? The I love you one? Okay, I know we've seen that. And by Cupcake in Cashmere. This one is 30 and you get 3 in here. It's like a trio. Love always. Love bug, of course. And more. Look at that pink. 17. Well, they have it in pink. Is that 17 as well? Yeah, it is 17. And they're playing Grease in here. You know, I heard they're making a Grease series like on Netflix. Look at that. 17 by Rachel Roy. I think it's called like Pink Ladies or something. I don't know. I saw like a little tiny trailer preview. I don't know. I feel like maybe they should leave it alone.
They'll ruin it.
Oh gosh.
They ruin it.
Love.
Like Disney.
This one is all love. You have the gnomes on it. These are nice too. It says love all over it. Red doggy. You have the hearts on it. Te amo. It says besito. All that good stuff. Oh. Look at that yellow. Be happy. Is there more pillows over here? Okay. Look at that one with the mice on it. If you want to get festive for work, like for lunches. I mean, these are $5. Little condiment containers. You have the whisk with XOXO. $5.99 at the bottom. And these are all bags. And these chairs, they will swivel for $400. And check out this mirror, you guys. It is going to be $400. That is by Tari. Look at that. Oh, this white one is still around. Is this a rocking one? No. Oh, that is 500. Oh, interesting. I kind of like this bookshelf right here. You can put plants on it, anything you want. I like this style. Some candles at the bling. Fulfilled Butterfly Garden. 13. This one's 8. Jake, mint jasmine, tobacco vanilla, smoke cedar and hickory. Let's scoot back in here. That's all the candles they have. Midnight suede, French oak. Okay, these are 10. They're like in little tins. Alright you guys, I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here in this location. They're stocking and moving furniture everywhere. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of their way. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one. From far away, she kind of looked like a mix of Reese Witherspoon and somebody else. I can't think of it. You get 3 in here for $29.99.